Hello everyone, welcome back to Aroma Talks. Today I will share with you one of the amazing ways how tomatoes can be used for fighting dark spots. With such a wide range of benefits and vitamins, tomatoes can be used for different skin types to solve various skin issues. Today we are going to need tomato and white sugar. Tomatoes contain a high amount of vitamin C, which is known to brighten the dark spots. White sugar helps in hydrating your skin by drawing moisture from the environment and preserving it in your skin cells. Cut your tomato into slices and add your white sugar onto it. Gently apply this on your entire face without forgetting the under eyes. Applying this on face every day will reduce the blackheads and reduces pimples on the skin, reduces the black skin cells as well. It will increase white skin cells and they are good for acne and for balancing your skin. For immediate results, every day rub the tomato on the face. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if this was your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Click on that notification bell beside the subscribe button down below and you will be the first person to know when I upload new videos. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.